The new kit came with all the connectors, extra wire, and an inline fuse. Just to test them, I just twisted the connections for now before I went and tightened everything up. All the new screws were all stainless steel. I started them by hand, then screwed them in with the screwdriver. You can see that the previous owner put some kind of epoxy on them because they must have been cracked and leaking. Look how the paint looks brand new underneath everything. With the screw connectors, I ended up prying them up with needle nose and just yanking them out. The new ones didn't fit together that great, so I had to basically feed one side in and then squeeze them with the needle nose to get them to slide in. It would have been easier in a vise, but it still worked. I'll show you how good they look in the next video.